Hey, Craig Burris with SalesRockit here. So I want to show you how to use our technology for networking. You go out to a meeting, an awards program, whatever you're doing, you meet some amazing people, you get their business card. The next day you shoot them that email, and then what happens? Typically there's a stack. You might remember to call them, you might not. No system around it. Doesn't work that way with SalesRockit. And if I was sending my sales team out to the community, I would require that they run some sort of a rhythm on this based on who they met. So let me show you how easy it is. I've already set up a rhythm for networking, and it gets me meetings 71% of the time. So let's go ahead. I met this guy last night. He has an amazing program, and I guess it's available through more than just him, but I just found out about it last night, where if you're a first-time home buyer in the state of Maryland, you can get a mortgage and you can write off up to $40,000 of your student loans. He told me that. I wanted to make sure that I got to know him. So we've added him. And we'll go ahead and add his name. And feel free to email him to find out about his loan product. I'm sure he'll be happy I'm promoting him this way. So he's in there, so we have a couple options. We can shoot him this first email that we like to send, and it's a rhythm, or it's a template that I do, and I go out and meet. Hey, great meeting you. Last night. All right, I'm comfortable with all that. Let's go ahead and send it. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add him to a rhythm. And I'm going to add him to the SalesRockit networking rhythm. And what that will do is in 2 days I'll get a reminder from the system, hey, don't forget to call Tim. If he hasn't responded to my email, if I call him and get his voicemail, then the next steps are another email, another phone call. But we actually have letter writing capabilities. So I don't use this for mine. I haven't needed to. But if it really is a cold lead that you're trying to get in front of, or if you're in an industry where letters and postcards, we fulfill it. We automate it for you, and you can see that right here. So good luck with your networking. Automate everything.